And here we are, guys, moving right along. This floor was a pain in the butt to remove. We've got to remove this linoleum here. Some of the subfloor came up. We're going to prep the subfloor, trowel our all set thin set, install Ditra. Tile work will be done today for the floor. That's basically what we're going to focus on. Wall paint is looking great, texture looking great. The shower is nearly complete. All we have to do to complete this shower is simply pull the wedges, finalize this niche here, finalize the window surround, and of course the dog legs down here. But that will be tomorrow. Today, really simple. Focus on the floor, have an early day, come back tomorrow, finalize all of the tile work, grout the floor, get baseboard in, toilet in. So lots of work to do. Here we go. Alrighty, grout is installed. Time to wipe this down, install some baseboard, toilet, and haul up the vanity, up the stairs. Top is attached, so it's going to be quite heavy, but no big deal. Let's get it done. And here we are, guys. Bathroom is all complete. We'll first start with the floor, 12 by 24 at a 50% offset. 1/16 of an inch grout joints. Prism grout was used, DeLorean gray. Beautiful cabinet installed, soft closed doors. Nice marble top, brushed nickel finish. 2 outlets were installed here. I'm sorry, 2 switches plus an outlet. We have the LEDs on a dimmer. Medicine cabinets installed as well. Decorative lights. Let's take a look at this beautiful shower. 12 by 24 high gloss. Porcelain, Carrera, veins all match and meet up to continue. We have cutoffs on the corners, so the movement follows and flows from the sidewall to the back wall. Trimmed out with Schluter Jolly, very large 16-inch by 28-inch niche. New tub installed. Soaking tub, valve, trim kit, Raise the shower head. Everything is ready for use. Beautiful bathroom. Time to go dump the trailer, collect payment, and have some nice lunch. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.